What's up, and welcome back to Handyman T channel. We are back with another project. It's been a while, yes, but today I'm going to show you my next project. This is going to be something completely different than the things I've done in the past. Yeah, let's take a look. Is a pond here, which we have decided to get rid of. We had fishes up till yesterday when we fished them up and gave them away. So now we want to get rid of this pond, and that's what I'm going to start doing today. So the next step is to get rid of the water. I'm going to just pump this out of here and yeah, just flush it on the street. I mean, it's just water, so no biggie. So that's what I'm going to do. There is a pump down there. You can see that big black hose that goes in there. In the other end of that, there is a pump that's going to use to pump out the water. And see what we have down there. Interesting, huh? So we can reach our apples. Stay tuned. The pumping out is ongoing. Took a lot of work to create this, but it's working. That's the pond, leaving the pond. And now, as you can see, the pond is empty. All the water is gone. Now let's clean this thing up and get everything out so we can fill it with dirt. And then I'll tell you what the next move is. Still working on the pond project. This one was a difficult one. Leveling up the ground, preparing for the dirt that's going to fill up the big hole in the ground. I've thrown a bunch of big rocks and some dirt. Slow progress. We're getting there. Now that I got my pile of dirt, as you can see over there, it's time to start filling this damn hole. Been taking forever, but I'm getting there. Next thing to do is to get rid of this goddamn concrete wall. Doesn't look like much of a deal, but it's hard as fuck to get rid of. I've taken off one piece, as you can see there. Today I'll take care of this. Once that is done, and I'll just start filling the hole so we can continue with the next stage. Who said it would be easy? Takes a lot of time, and there's nothing for the weak and skinny guys. Who would believe there used to be a pond here? Woo! Finally, I'm happy with how it's turned out. So let's check that. It used to be a pond here and a bunch of fishes. Fishes are long gone. They're enjoying their lives somewhere else. And the job is almost done. Time to move on to the next step. Something I've done before. If you don't know, check the videos. Job well done. Everything is finished now. It's all grass. No water, no fishes. And that is the apple tree. Now I can get me an apple if I want.